You downloaded a firmware upgrade for your TV or router. You cannot run this on Windows. It is meant to be put on a USB drive and plugged into the device. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the correct formatting. For those complex UPG formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. The UPG format adheres to the base protocol used by all firmware file files. It uses the upgrade file format to store its contents. The UPG file type typically denotes a firmware update file used by electronic devices, such as routers, cameras, or motherboards. Its purpose is to deliver new, corrected, or enhanced operating instructions to the hardware's embedded system. The file creator is the device manufacturer, e.g. Canon, Cisco. The design rules are proprietary, ensuring the file is structured for the specific device's bootloader to read, verify integrity, often using checksums, and safely write the new code to the device's permanent memory. There's a direct software link between UPG and Ancilla UPerform client by Ancilla Solutions. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows does not display firmware content, so applying or examining the file requires proper tools. Let's find the specific program that understands the file structure. Right-click the UPG file and hit Open With. Test Ancilla UPerform client if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your UPG file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We know the UPG format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, identify the device. Determine the specific device, e.g. DVR, router, camera. The firmware is for, and consult the device's manual. Next, use the update utility. Use the device's firmware update utility, usually built into the device's software, and select the UPG file to perform the update. Finally, check digital signature. If the device rejects the file, check the file size and digital signature, e.g. ensure the file was downloaded directly from the manufacturer's website. When troubleshooting produces no positive outcome, the file now requires software designed to overcome serious structural flaws. The most powerful tool is the clear next step to try for your UPG file. The simple fix is File Magic. It's the recommended universal viewer for any complex UPG file. Download it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week. I appreciate your time today.